So guys, review Xiaomi 310T. This version 8GB RAM and 256GB internal memory. Open box and look compactation. In compactation we have protected back cover, quick guide and key for SIM slot. Device in the blue color. Okay. And in compactation we have adapter for charging with quick charge and Type-C cable. Triple camera on the back side. On the front side 6.7-inch display, power button and wall buttons on the right side. Left side without controls, downside slot for SIM card. Type-C port, speaker and device without headphones jack. Open settings, look Android version. We have Android version 13 and new global 14.0.7. Open Geekbench 6 and talk about system information. We have octa-core processor 4 plus 3 plus 1 core and GPU Mali G610. Look results, single core score and multi-core score results. GPU test results. Close. Look under the benchmark. Under the benchmark results. CPU Dimensity 8200. Close this. And run demanded game. Because Andreas. Okay, start Diablo Immortal. Diablo Immortal works on the high graphic level, 60 FPS, high graphic, and other settings are high. And game works very good on the 60 FPS, 60 frame. Okay, close this. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.